Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Noodle link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something for you from A-Sha Dry Noodle. Yeah, you can get their stuff here in the United States. Here's a link to their website. Some cool stuff in here, I have no doubt, so let's dispense and crack it open. Oh, nice. So as you might know or not, A-Sha made the 2025 and 2024. And honestly, they've been on my global top 10 list for quite a while. They've got an absolutely spectacular beef noodle, which is great. They also have this thing called a Meteor noodle, and it's a spicy dandan kind of thing going on. And it is absolutely wonderful stuff. And now that is available in the United States as well. So that and a couple more is what's in the box. Let's take a look. So to start things off, we've got this garlic soy sauce variety. So dry noodles usually are a noodle that you cook for a few minutes and you drain it and then you add a couple sachets to it, usually liquid. So this one's gonna have something that's probably a garlic oil, I'm guessing, and then a soy sauce. What I've said for years is the Taiwanese are masters of simplicity. Usually noodles like this have very, very few ingredients, and the sauces have very few ingredients. But they're all about balance, and they're usually incredibly good. So looking forward to trying this one. And next up we have this spicy mala Meteor noodle. And the Meteor part, it's kind of interesting. So think of a flat noodle, right? Well, think of a flat noodle with an extra little, so it's like three, it's hard to explain, but there's like three sides to it. I know, but but it actually changes the mouthfeel. It's got extra chewiness to it, and it's really nice. And this is one of those spicy mala. Mala usually entails Szechuan pepper. This one I'm guessing is going to be a spicy oil and a soy sauce mixture. And now here's the one I was talking about. This is the Meteor Noodle Spicy Dandan. I think originally it was called a hot and sour. Either way, it's absolutely excellent stuff. The sauces and the noodle just combine for perfection. I love this stuff. You will too if you get it. So yeah, if you want to try a really good Taiwanese dry noodle, this will do you. All right, well, thank you very much to the folks over at A-Sha Dry Noodle for sending this over. Yeah, here's their website again. If you want to get some of these, I recommend it. You know, they've also got a new one. They've got this, I think it's 88 something. I can't remember what it is, but it's a beef noodle bowl. It's made in Taiwan. The noodles are non-fried. And that one, I highly recommend that. Of all their stuff, that one, as far as the bowls go, that is where it's at. It's super good, super awesome. You got to check that out too. But this one is really, really good. I love it. And these two, I'm sure, are really good too. I've probably had them in the past. I really like A-Sha's stuff. In, what was it, 2013, I came out with my top 10, and Taiwan wasn't on it. And people got mad. And then in later that year, I came out with my bottom 10 list, and Taiwan, there were some export products that were on the bottom 10. And so I decided to do a little bit of noodle diplomacy, right? So I said, hey, if you think you guys' stuff is so awesome, send me some. And these guys were the first company to send me something. And I've watched their product change over the years, and it's been really interesting and really cool. So yeah, cool product, cool people, and yeah, neat. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.